What's up, 99% audio? Here we go with these D-7 crossovers. I've already pulled all the lead wires off and I've disconnected everything. I also pulled all the nuts off. Okay, we got all the glue off the plates, as clean as they're going to get. Now we'll put those off to the side. Look at that. Plates have been moved off to the side. I'm going to focus on taking the remainder of this glue off the components that we need to salvage and restore. Okay, now that I've got it completely stripped down, all the old parts that aren't stained removed, all that glue. Now that everything has been pulled off the plastic plates, it's ready for disassembly further and restoration. The inductors I'll size up and match by value and trim them down to be both equal. Now I've cleaned the plastic ABS plates. They're all ready for assembly. I have pulled my capacitors. I have matched everything up. I have taken apart. Also made my own wire. Yeah. That wasn't green when I got it.